Adding a card to Apple Pay without a physical card.
Hello, everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn about how to add a card to Apple Pay without having a physical card. This method is super useful if you've lost your card or if you simply prefer digital banking. Let's get started.
Understanding the requirements.
Before we dive into the steps, let's understand what we need for this process. First, you need to have an Apple device that supports Apple Pay, such as an iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, or a Mac. Second, make sure your device is running the latest iOS, watchOS, or macOS. Finally, you should have an internet connection.
Accessing your digital banking app.
Now that we have the requirements sorted out, we move on to accessing your bank's app. 1. Open your digital banking app. Most major banks have their own banking apps, and these apps usually have a feature to add your debit or credit card to Apple Pay directly. 2. After logging in, look for an option to add your card to a mobile wallet or something similar. This option is usually found in the menu under Cards or Manage Cards. Remember, the location of this option varies depending on the banking app.
Adding your card to Apple Pay.
After finding the option to add your card to a mobile wallet, follow these steps. 1. Select Apple Pay as your preferred mobile wallet. 2. You'll then need to follow the prompts. This usually involves confirming your card details and agreeing to terms and conditions. 3. After that, the app may ask for verification through a one-time password, OTP, an email, or a phone call. This process ensures the security of your banking information. 4. Once verified, your card is added to Apple Pay, and you'll receive a confirmation in your banking app and in the Apple Wallet app. And there you have it. Now you know how to add a card to Apple Pay without having a physical card. This method is not only convenient, but it's also a great way to keep your banking information secure and at your fingertips. Remember, the steps may vary slightly depending on your bank, but the general process remains the same. Happy digital banking!